We will be taking pictures at Adams Environmental Field Services office. As you see on the wall, these the credentials from different universities and different classes that the principal of Adams Environmental Field Services had accomplished. This is a master's in science in chemistry, and it goes back to 1988. And also, as well, you could see some American recognized institutions and facilities like the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency, and you could see that we do have a certification as a certified company to do lead-based paint work, whether it's an RRP or an abatement. And this certification goes back to June 22nd, 2001. At the same time, you could see the certification from the EPA that certifies Adams Environmental Field Services as a company or as a certified company which is eligible to do the RRP as a qualified company. Here you see a certification from ACC Environmental. It's an accredited company. We underwent training for the OSHA asbestos class number 3 for the supervisor, initial 16 hours. And this certificate goes back to July 14th, 2011. As if you look, you will see a whole bunch of certification in hazmat and hazmat management. This one is the refresher, 8 hours refresher from Geoline. This is for hazardous waste operation and emergency response. If we look at the other wall, you will see a bunch of certification. This certification goes back to 1990 when Adam Ercat was working as a field chemist at Laidlaw Environmental Services Inc., or what used to be called GS6, which is government contractor company. We used to work for the Department of Navy at Moffett Field and at Oakland Naval Supply Center, and as well at Miramar and Treasure Island bases. This certificate shows it's the substance abuse prevention and detection. This program meeting the 49 CFR 391.121. It was taken in February 27, 1991. This certificate was awarded by Olympus Anavex, the makers of the Anavex XRF analyzer for lead paint, for alloy, for environmental exploring, and alloy detections and grading and sorting. This certificate was given based on given in December 7th, 1990. Oh God, goes back to 1990, which is instruction in safety and the management of hazardous materials, waste, and substance, meeting the requirements of 29 CFR 1910-120, which was 24 hours, 3 days. This certificate is a 40 hours certification. I believe the training went in Wisconsin then, and this is an instructional health, safety, and the management of hazardous materials, waste, and substance, meeting the requirements of 29 CFR 1910-120, and this is a 40-hour training. And it was awarded by Laidlaw Environmental Services, the main company that I started with. And we're gonna go to the last certification here, which is a certification for confined space entry procedures. And this was awarded in July 17th, 1991. And this certificate enables us as a competent worker to enter into confined space by using the full protective, personal protective gear, from suits all the way to masks and oxygen tanks.